Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom indicator in cTrader. First, open the cTrader platform on your computer, then go to the Automate section, also called cAlgo, where you can create custom tools such as indicators and trading robots. Next, click on New and select Indicator. Then, give your indicator a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. After that, the coding window will open. Inside the calculate function, you can write or modify the code to define how your indicator behaves. For example, you can set conditions for price movement, moving averages, or custom alerts. Make sure to save your work frequently. Once your code is ready, click Build or press F5 to compile it. This will check for any errors in your code and make the indicator ready for use. If there are errors, the platform will highlight them so you can fix them. Now go back to the trade section. Open indicators, then custom, and you will see the indicator you just created listed there. Finally, add the indicator to your chart by selecting it. You can customize its appearance, such as colors, line thickness, and other settings, to make it easier to read and match your trading preferences. Once added, your custom indicator will start working in real time with the market data, helping you make informed trading decisions. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.